Speak English with confidence. Easy corrections. In this video, we will learn how to use simple words correctly while talking at a coffee shop.
Hi, David. Thanks for meeting me here. This coffee shop is so nice.
Yeah, it's one of my favorites. The coffee's good and it's quiet for talking. How's your week at work?
It's okay, but sometimes I don't know the right English words. I feel shy.
Don't worry, that's normal. Today we can practice. Think of words that confuse you.
Okay. First, I always say, I make my homework, but my friend said it's wrong.
Good one. In English, we say do homework, not make homework.
So I should say, I do my homework.
Exactly. Use do for tasks or jobs. Do homework, do the dishes, do the laundry.
And make is different, right?
Yes, use make when you create something, like make a cake, make a sandwich, make a plan.
Oh, so make is for creating and do is for actions.
Perfect. You got it.
Let me try. I do the laundry in the morning, then I make breakfast.
That's 100% correct. Great job.
Okay, here's another one. Sometimes I say, I have 25 years. Is that right?
Almost, but in English, we don't say that. We say, I am 25 years old.
So I am 25 years old, not I have 25 years.
Yes, in English, we use to be for age.
Got it. I am 25. How old are you?
Haha, good question. I'm 28.
I also mix up in and on.
That's very common. Here's an easy way. Use in for months, years, or big places. Example, in July, in 2025, in New York. Use on for days and dates. Example, on Monday, on my birthday, on September 1st.
Oh, so I say I started work in August and I go to class on Monday.
Exactly. You nailed it.
What about say and tell? I always confuse them.
Okay, think of it this way. Say is the words only. He said hello. Tell is the words plus who you are talking to. He told me the news.
So I say, my teacher said I did well, and my teacher told me to study more.
Perfect. That's correct.
This is helpful. Can I ask about fun and funny?
Great one. Fun means enjoyable. Funny means it makes you laugh. Example, the party was fun. Example, the joke was funny.
Ah, so my trip was fun, not funny.
Right. Unless your trip made you laugh a lot, then it was funny.
Okay, I get it. One more. I hear people say at the weekend and on the weekend. Which one is right?
Good ear. In American English, we usually say on the weekend. But in British English, people often say at the weekend.
Oh, so here in the US, I should say on the weekend.
Exactly. For example, I relax on the weekend.
Wow, I learned so much today. Do, make, in, on, say, tell, fun, funny.
You did great. The key is practice. Every time you're not sure, just ask.
Thank you, David. You explain things very clearly.
You're welcome, Maria. You're improving already.
Next time, can we practice more words?
Of course. Next time, let's do verbs like lend and borrow.
Sounds good. And maybe after, we can get ice cream.
Deal. Learning English with ice cream sounds perfect.